To adjust Trust Wallet Face ID login, start by opening the Trust Wallet app on your device. Ensure you have the latest version of the app to avoid any compatibility issues. Navigate to the Settings section, usually represented by 3 horizontal lines or a gear icon, depending on your device and app version. In the Settings menu, look for the Security or Authentication section. This is where you will find the Face ID or biometric login options. Select the Face ID option to proceed with the adjustment process. You may be prompted to enter your password or confirm your identity using the existing Face ID. Setup. To enable or disable Face ID login, toggle the switch next to the Face ID option. If you are enabling Face ID, follow the on-screen instructions to set up Face ID recognition. This involves positioning your face within the designated area on the screen and waiting for the app to scan and recognize your facial features. To adjust the sensitivity or settings of Face ID login, look for the Advanced or Additional Settings option within the Face ID section. Here, you can adjust settings such as requiring attention or a passcode when Face ID is not recognized. Be cautious when adjusting these settings, as they can impact the security and convenience of your Trust Wallet login experience. Best practices for adjusting Trust Wallet Face ID login include ensuring your device and app are up to date, using a secure and private environment when setting up Face ID, and regularly reviewing and updating your security settings to maintain optimal protection. By following these steps and considering these best practices, you can effectively adjust your Trust Wallet Face ID login and enhance your overall wallet security.